Hello everyone and welcome back to Total Crypto for another video. Guys, in this video, just like to reassure you all that we are in a healthy trend, and yes, we're not blasting off to the moon as of yet, but that is still coming around the corner. So in this video, we're going to be jumping into Pickle and a whole host of other memes. Guys, if you find that useful, do me a favor, give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. So I think you know what it's time for. It's time to strap up onto your boots, put on your rocket helmet. So let's get into the video. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Right, let's get straight into the video. Currently, it's looking like that we are still hanging by the thread over here before we pump to the upside. So whilst we are still ranging over here, it's still be worth adding a lot more to our bags, because I reckon even though the market cap is lower than usual, it gives us even more stronger confidence that we should be able to head our way back up to 1000x within the bull season, because in order for us to reach that 1000x from here, the market cap would only need to get to $762 million, and that is a realistic challenge for Pickle, because Pickle is designed to be well over 15, 16, $20 million market cap, and I reckon during the peak of the bull season we should be able to see something insane right to the upside. So why don't we check the chart from a daily perspective? It should give us that more of a confidence and an indication where we're at for the short term. Alright, so as we can see today, we've printed off a green. We just need to get back into this level right here, and because we saw a slightly bigger green candle here than this red, that is still a good indication that we should be continuing our way to the upside from here. So we just need to extend the larger rectangle box. Fantastic. Look at this, guys. This is looking perfect. So this area here is certainly the best accumulation area there. And once we do accumulate a lot more of our bags right over here, we should be heading our way to a bigger price, at least for the short term. From here to this area right up here, that's an easy 133% move to the upside. But we're not just in it for the short-term trade, but if you are an intraday trader, this would be a perfect area right over here for you to capitalize on this 133% move to the upside. I still reckon we are going to see that 1000x. Let's quickly move on to the next one. And that is going to be Lfgo with a market cap at $3.33 million market cap. We're down on the day at 0.64% for the past 24 hours. And the price is at 0.003348. So let's take a look at the charts. Alright, so far it's still moving in this trajectory. All we're going to do is break above this red line, and then we should see something like this. We just need to move that across over like so, because this is still in play. And the reason why I say that, guys, is because we haven't yet broken above from that red line, hence why we're seeing a reaction from this zone that we're pulling back. But once we do break up, we should be expecting something similar along a line like this. So with that in mind, let's take a look at the charts overall. Yeah, so overall we're not in the worst of state. We still just need to get above that red line in order for me to remain bullish, and only until we break above here, then that gives me the confidence that we are gonna retest the all-time highs. Until then, we can still accumulate a lot more of the bags here, because it's not guaranteed, but I am sure and I am certain that we are going to see an all-time high for Lfgo and a much more bigger price for Lfgo. So what does that mean for the market cap? I reckon we can still see that 1000x, and I'll put the market cap at $3.33 billion market cap. And that is something that I truly do believe that Lfgo can head up to. It might even go much more higher. Then let's move on to the next one, and that is going to be Wojak. Wojak, we saw a slight little pullback on the day. The market cap is still $157,000. We're down by 2.32%. And the price is at 0.00001132. Now let's take a look at the charts. So for the chart, guys, this is still looking extremely bullish because we have broken into this level right here. We're pulling back slightly. We might even pull back into this level down here. If that is the case, guys, I wouldn't be too worried at all because it will be a healthy correction to come back into the zone. But just in case if you don't, then I reckon if you're still in the trade, it's worth holding on, because once we do break from this resistance line, we should be heading away back up to the top with ease. And if you take a look at the chart all in all, we are still in a very bullish structure. This is looking pretty decent overall. From here to the next, or should we say to the all-time highs of around about 169% away. How much higher can we go? Well, judging by the market cap size, I reckon with this Wojak variation within the SOLANA network, could in fact see quite easily a 100x, because in order for us to see 10x, the market cap would only need to get to $1.5 million, and then to see that 100x, that'd be a $15 million market cap. Guys, this is extremely doable. You let me know in the comments whether you are bullish on Wojak. Now let's jump into Success Kid, because I reckon that we should be expecting again 1000x from here. The market cap is at $2.65 million market cap. We are down on a day 2.33% for the past 24 hours. And let's take just a quick look at the chart. Yep, exactly what I've been saying for the past few days. We also do break up from here, then we might see a slight little pullback. This could be a slight little pullback before we take off from here. And the first interest area or the first level of resistance will be right up here at the price of 5 cents. Guys, do not sleep on Success Kid, because once the bull season kicks in, then we're going to see a lift off for Success Kid. So 1000x from here, you put the market cap at $2.65 million. So I would accumulate a lot more around about where we are right now before we take off. So let's get into the last meme, and that is going to be Ponke. Ponke's market cap is at $186.7 million. We're down on the day at 1.03% for the past 24 hours, and the price is at 0.33 cents. So let's take a closer look at the chart. What do we see? Exactly like I said from my last video, once we do break up from this level right here, then almost picture perfect is looking like we are respecting my moves right over here, like so. So this could be a perfect reaccumulation area right over here before we go for that lift off. How much higher can we go? The market cap is already high at $187 million market cap, which means we should be able to expect 10x from here quite easy. So that means 10x away from here, you put the market cap at $1.87 billion market cap. I think that's realistic. We could see a 20x for Ponke. We might even potentially see 100x from here, but that all depends on how Ponke reacts during the bull season and whether people are buying into these projects. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for tuning in. You let me know in the comments whether you believe any of these memes has the potential of going to 100, 1000, maybe even more X's during the bull season. Anyway, guys, if you haven't done so already, you can also subscribe to my membership right over here, where you can be alerted with trade moves like this coming up from the Tron meme space, because there are coins that's about to pop and can quite quickly and easily make you 6 to 10x per trade. Anyway, guys, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you all in the next one.